Hey people, looking to remove this mirror. First thing you want to do is get this pushed right to one side so you can get your fingers behind it. Then you can reach in and just pop it off. There will be a couple of wires here because the mirror is heated. So we can pull those out. You can see there's this little tab here. So I'm just going to kind of lever it up and press it out. Then what happens is this covered shell can come off. Next thing is I want to remove this plastic trim here. If we get in behind it, you can just pop it out of the way. It has two plastic clips here that hold it together. You can see that one's actually a little bit broken because it should have a double side to it like that one. So we'll see if we can get another clip to put that one back in. The wiring here, you can pull on this. There's often a little clip in here that sort of locks it in place. That usually has to be slid out first. Appears to be missing on this one. Press the tab, pull it apart. Now we have three 10mm bolts here. Now at the moment, it's just pure magic that's holding that mirror in place. We just give it a little wiggle, it pulls on out, and we have our mirror removed. So after a quick coat of paint, I'm just going to reinstall. It's just a matter of lining it all back up. Sliding it into place. It will kind of sit there, but do be careful. Just running a couple bolts in loosely. Just do these three up. Plug the wiring in. Just tuck it back into its little hole there. Now our cover had a broken clip here, so we can slide that one out. And I do have a replacement one, but it is green. Put that back in place. Going to grab the cover, just sit in place. So it just clips down. Just make sure it's fully located. The last thing is the mirror. Reconnect the wires. And we can press that back on. Just make sure it's fully located. Sit that back there. Now you can test the mirror and all done. Thanks for watching.